Robinhood Banking is not available to everyone. While Robinhood is a household name for stock and crypto trading, its dedicated banking product operates under strict eligibility rules. First, you must be a paying subscriber of Robinhood Gold, which costs a monthly or annual fee. If you only use the free tier of the brokerage app, you cannot sign up for a Robinhood banking account. Second, even if you are a Gold member, access is not instantaneous. Robinhood structures the rollout through an invite-only waitlist. When the banking platform first launched, it was designed to mirror private banking features, such as checking and savings accounts, high yields, and joint or kids accounts, by metering out availability gradually to manage capacity and security. Additionally, like most U.S.-regulated financial products, you need to meet baseline residency and identity requirements, meaning it is restricted primarily to eligible U.S. customers with the correct documentation. So, if you do not have a Gold subscription and you have not cleared the waitlist, you cannot open an account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.